Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Colonoscopy.
Let's break it down.
This medical word looks long, but it's easy when broken down. The correct way is colonoscopy. Start with co, then la, add nos, follow with ca, and finish with p. Together, colonoscopy. Now let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Colonoscopy, colonoscopy, colonoscopy. If you got it right all 3 times, you just pronounced like a doctor explaining it with confidence.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Colonoscopy, 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 colonoscopy.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.